Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the object or components you want bent. Make sure transforms are frozen and history cleared to avoid unexpected results. Then create the deformer. Create deformer's nonlinear bend. It defaults to the x-axis. Once created, immediately move the deformer handle and origin using the Move tool so the bend axis crosses the area you intend to deform. This determines the pivot and fall-off direction. This first placement saves time and prevents needing complex edits later. Next, refine how the bend affects geometry by changing curvature and the fall-off region. Increase curvature numerically, for example, type 45 into bend curvature to get precise results. Scale the deformer handle uniformly to expand or shrink the fall-off. You can also edit handle extents numerically in the channel box for repeatable values. If the mesh twists or collapses, rotate the deformer to align the axis and enable preserve length when you need to keep relative proportions during strong bends. To finish, localize the effect by painting envelope weights on the deformer. This lets you limit bending to specific areas without extra geometry. For more complex forms, stack or duplicate the bend deformer and blend with lattice or cluster deformers to shape transitions smoothly. If you see artifacts, make sure normals are consistent, remove non-manifold edges, and delete or simplify history. Often reapplying the deformer after cleaning the mesh resolves strange distortions. One key tip: always check envelope weights first when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.